Sean, ano ba yan? I'll never be just one for you. Something that get me through. I'll never be just one for you. Three songs yun. Nga, there's Neo, syempre, I also kind of practice T-Pain. I'll never be one for you, yeah. Oh no. Oh, baby, everyone among the sea, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, no. Ang technique ko kay T-Pain is half larynx. I use the expression of napiruti, pero I don't sound authentic. Oh, I never really wanna be. So, lower larynx, if I do it full. Oh, I never wanna be that way, this way. Never can avoid it, never do that. Yeah, yeah, no. No, 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 no. Full larynx yun. It doesn't sound authentic kasi I'm not napiruti, di ba? So I do it halfway para may yung lower throat ko is Filipino still. Oh, no, 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 no. Why, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. You're my baby, my baby, one and only. Yeah, no. There's something about you, girl, about you, the way you cross your body. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you cross your mind, yeah. Baby girl will never be away from me. Oh, there's something in my mind I just can't see that clearly. Oh, 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 no. Oh, oh, girl, everything that I've been so close to you. Parang ganon. So I do half. If I used to, it will sound, everything with a girl. Medyo Akon kasi that's African sound. If you wanna be, you wanna be, alright me. Oh, 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 no, 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 no. So that's Akon sound, yung tutti. Di mo kanta na Akon? Oh, no, 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 no. Hey, yeah, na, 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 no, 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 no. Hey, yeah, no, na. Pero I'm using napirati posture. Napiruti posture. So, ganun ko siya ginagawa. Paulit-ulit na kasi to. Kasi, una-una sa Philippines, nahirapan silang imimik yun. Kasi, una, hindi kayo nag-breath manning. Mag-breath manning kasi kayo dahil breath manning is a good foundation and understand speech level singing. If I act like this, man, if I talk like a country guy, that speech level, then I might sound like a country guy. So when I do my country accent, I loosen up my right part of my face and keep stiff my left part. Di ba parang ganon? Speech level singing. So speech level, I never been away from you. Kind of sounds country, di ba? Oh, girl. Oh, girl, no. You're my baby in the road. You're my lover, my road. When I see you in the morning, I know Pero syempre, I'm not a country singer, pero you get the point, di ba? So there's a lot of work in terms of how you will fluctuate, train your voice, what syllables will you vocalize with. Uh, the riffs and runs, syempre, you do it on your instrument repeatedly. So if I do that speech level, T-pain sound, lower, yeah. So if I do that, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yun yung line 1. Lick 1. Different run. So, kailangan practice and like, close chord closure. Kasi i-repeat mo yan palagi. Beautify with the fluctuations of that one.